Like
see,
you,
see,
Shan.
see, see?
Like you, Shan, no? Cute, Shan. You're cute.
Do you know that I already climbed there? Yeah. When I was in college, I climbed there with my friends. We went there in the tip of the mountain. Rice, cook the rice. After that, the rice will be cooked color yellow. But it's safe to use.
Was it yummy?
Yeah, same like rice. Gamitin to akong iPad pa picture pa. Timer. Nakaagi na lagi mi diri. Bike sa una ba? Pana kayo mi. Yeah. Exclusive for us, the resort.
Yes. Mark your calendar. Okay, skip up. Okay. Okay. Okay, the nachos is coming though. But if you want the also
Mag-put up unta mo ma'am sa Cebu.
see the food.
We'll go horseback riding.
Look, who's that tape?
Ay, ba?
Mini Kokoy.
My junior.
My juniora.
Okay, okay. The horse will run.
Hold lang, Shan.
Watch as my sister suffer.
How was it, Shan? How's the experience? Not, your butt is not hurting anymore? Oh, that's good. Hey. You're a pro na biya. Mura magkuhan? Equestrian?
Ang ayan tayo.
Max, wave here. Here. Yay! Yay!
Inang labas. Kasama na yung mall. Sa kanila ang mall, kain lang yun. Sabi mo, you want to go to SM? No, there's SM everywhere. So, siya, yun na umihilig yan. Sabi niya, sa sunod na punta nyo, dito tayo, Mount Matutum. Pero yun, mapagalan yun. Madaling araw tayo aalis. Hindi na natuloy-tuloy yung ano na yun.
Musakay po ka, babe.
Kasi yun,
Kaya gusto nila ng ano, mocha at yung, ano, yung chocomos. Ikot na, butom na siguro lang si Max ba?
Gutom na kaya ang nag-ano na lang siya ng ano, chocolate. Nagpapak ng chocolate
Ano?
cake.
Can I eat?
Sabi ko lang.
Tubo kay Il daw siya. Okay.
Now we will so that we will go again.
Tita Sel.
Come back, okay? We'll wait for you. Pa yung casting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Want to see?
No.